Hey, to cast the YouTube application to your TV on the Redmi Note 13 Pro, first of all you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network on your Redmi, and to the same Wi-Fi network you have to be also connected on your TV. Next, you will have to click on this icon, the cast icon, and now you will find your TV. So if you select your TV right now, you will have to actually accept with the remote control notification on your TV and simply connect connection. But if for some reason your TV is not here, I will highly recommend you to use this function, link with TV code. And it works always. Every time the normal casting not working for me, I use the TV code and it works every time. So all you have to do right now is just to open the YouTube app on your TV. Then you will have to find the settings on the YouTube application on the TV, and then you will have to scroll down to link and find the link TV with code. When you find this function and open it, you will have to input this code that will be shown on your TV and then click OK, and you will be connected. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.